Want to say on everyday purchases with Cash App, Boost makes it easy. First thing, make sure you have ordered and activated your cash card. Without that debit card linked to your account, Boost won't show up. Once your cash card is ready, open Cash App and tap the cash card tab at the bottom. Up top, you'll see Save with Boost or something similar. Tap that, you'll get a list of current Boost deals. These could be percentage discounts or dollar off offers at places like coffee shops, restaurants, grocery stores, and even ride shares. Just scroll, find the one you like, and tap Add Boost to activate it. Keep in mind, you can only have one Boost active at a time. With a Boost switched on, or pay using your cash card as usual. The discount applies instantly at the checkout. The moment you use it, want a different deal, just go back to the Boost list and swap out your active Boost whenever you like. Boost changes regularly and can be time sensitive, so check often to score the best deals. And for future reference, if you do want any videos or topics that you want us to specifically make on, you can just drop a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you with a video, or even if it's a doubt, we'll just get back with an answer. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.